Hello guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you this work of mine, a music box actually. So as shown in this video, I made this from a PVC pipe, one of my best working material, for the fact that you have to give it the shape of your choice. So that's one thing I like about this PVC pipe. So with all my components gathered together and every other part of our music box, which are of course made from the same PVC pipe. Also, as clearly shown in this video, you can see where I wrapped most of the parts with a material that I got somewhere around my house actually, to give it this more professional look. It might sound funny, but the truth is creativity has no boundary. Alright, so components mounted up and everything fitted in its position. With everything properly functioning, let's charge it a bit. Truth is, it was actually fun making this. This is what I love doing, man. Kindly support this video by leaving a like and also hit the subscribe button for more future interesting videos. I put a lot of work in this though, so let's wrap this up.